Hello, Roy speaking. It's a new long time since last time make videos about the cobot. Uh, this time I want to talk about something. I've been in welding industry for about 20 years, right there on the front line. Even now, I still visit about 10 to 15 factories every month to check the welding process myself. So I keep asking myself one question: what do our customers and the market really need? What problems are we actually solve for them? That's why in 2024 we set up a company that does one thing and only one thing: collaborative welding robots. Like shipbuilding, for example, automation is still very low. It's very low, and of course, China, we are short of over 3 million welders. That huge gap is creating a real need for flexible automation, and that's exactly where the collaborative welding robots come in. Now, if you have spent any time on the shop floor, and you know that the two biggest headaches in medium to heavy plate welding. First, frequent strikes. They mess with robot communication badly. Second, overhead cranes starting and stopping all day. It causes bigger voltage swings on the power grid. So here is what we did. We use EtherCAT for communication on site, and it's fast, short cycle, and rock solid stable. We also believe that a collaborative welding robot should be light and portable, like a smart helper you can carry around. So we pushed the lightweight design to the extreme. Just to give you an example about our 900 millimeters shipbuilding model with only 13.5 kg, and our standard version is just 21 kg. That is flexible. Flexibility is another big one. On our cobots, every joint except the third one can rotate a full plus minus 360 degrees, so you can get into a really tight spot without struggling. And about the ease of use, that's critical. If the cobot doesn't drag smoothly, or it's very hard to position accurately, operators simply won't use it. So we made sure our drag teaching feels natural and precise, because if it's not easy, it's not going to be used. Looking ahead, everyone's talking about teachingness, programness, welding agent. In my mind, it's a good agent needs 4 key pieces. First, a solid welding database from a real expert. Second, a weld pool monitoring system. Third, an RGB camera, and the fourth is 3D visions. These are the things we are thinking about and working with right now. We're not trying to do everything. We are just doing the one thing really well: collaborative welding robot.